Got extra plastic bags? Turn them into this. Just cut, and loop. Flatten your bags, then cut strips. Connect the loops to make yarn. Pull it strong, wind it, now into a ball. Start with a tight circular base. Now build the sides, maintaining even tension. Watch your pattern grow row by row. Finish with sturdy loops and you're done. Finish the rim, add 4 strong hanging cords, place your plant inside, and hang it up. Let's upcycle these. Here is the plan. Flatten it out completely. Now cut into strips. Don't throw away your plastic bags. Reuse them to make useful things for your home. What should we make next? Tell me in the comments and follow DIY Transform Hacks.
Cut the bags into 5 cm strips. Then twist and braid them together. Stitch the braid into a basket, and you've got a useful bottle organizer from waste plastic.
Before you throw those plastic bags away, watch what we can make from them. Clean the bags, remove the handles and seams, then cut them into 5 cm strips. Join the strips, twist them into cords, then braid 3 cords together to make our organizer material.
Coil the braid into a rectangle, stitch every row tightly until you reach about 30 by 20 by 12 centimeters. And that's it! Waste plastic bags are now a useful organizer for your everyday bottles and containers.
What household waste should we transform next? Comment your idea. And follow DIY Transform Hacks for more practical home solutions.